Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my January 2023 BOXYCHARM Premium Box unboxing. I'm so excited that this is finally here. I already got both of my Ipsy Glam bags and my BOXYCHARM base box, but I always look forward to my BOXYCHARM Premium Box, so I am so excited to get into this. So the BOXYCHARM Premium Box is a monthly beauty subscription and it's kind of customized to each person because you get to choose a couple of your products, and I have no memory of what I actually chose for this box, but I think the box kind of gets curated around the choices that I made. And so it's always full-size products, so I'd love to see what my retail value is, but I think I spend about $45 on this monthly. It's the upgrade, or kind of like the middle tier, I guess, to the regular BOXYCHARM base box, which is the lowest tier. Then you've got the premium box, and then quarterly you can get the BOXYCHARM Luxe box. So I do subscribe to all of them, but the premium box is the one that I still get every single month. It doesn't change. But so let's go ahead and get into this month's box. Oh, and I also want to let you know that I have a series here on my YouTube channel where I try out a new makeup product every day. So that's why I'm not going to be trying them on in this video and swatching in this video. But if there's any products that I get that you really want me to review first, of course, just let me know in the comments down below. But so if you like makeup reviews, beauty subscription unboxings, then you are in the right place, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Okay, now I can't wait any longer. Let's see what's in this box. I've got product information here and a lot of goodies. Okay, first I'm going to pull out this one here. This gold packaging. Salute to the sun. Oh, Oma Beauty. I'm like, I don't think I recognize that brand, but no, I know the brand Oma Beauty. This is Drama Bomb Extreme Volume Nourishing Mascara. I was hoping I would get a mascara in my beauty subscriptions this month because I'm running out of my daily mascaras. I literally have like 3 or 4 mascaras that I use daily or kind of rotate daily, and they're all running out. So I was excited to hopefully get another mascara to work into my daily routine, and I love trying out mascaras. So I'm really excited to try this out. Extreme Volume and Nourishing Mascara sounds like right up my alley. So the Oma Beauty Salute to the Sun Drama Bomb Mascara is a $19.50 value. Good first product to start on. Next, I'm pulling out Volition Strawberry C Brightening Serum with Avec Vitamin C and Hyaluronic Acid. I'm not familiar with this brand, and when it comes to my beauty subscriptions, I want to get makeup, and if I'm going to get skincare, I want it to be something that I don't already have a lot of in my collection, and I do have a lot of serums. I don't have a strawberry serum though, so kind of intrigued by that. It looks pretty. Of course, I love the pink. So this is not something that I'm going to probably start using right away because I just don't change up my skincare until it's completely gone. I currently just kind of started a vitamin C serum, so once that's gone, maybe I'll pick up this one next, but I also have so many other serum options. Therefore, I'm not as excited to get this in my box, but I'm not familiar with this brand, so let's see the retail value. Volition Beauty Strawberry C Brightening Serum is a retail value of $42. So a pretty pricey serum right here. Okay, next I've got from the brand Hyde, I don't think I'm familiar with this brand. Invisible Oil-Free Medium Full Coverage Foundation. Well, I love foundations. I got it in the shade Porcelain. So I must have chosen this because you get to choose your shade, but I seriously do not remember at all. Okay, I feel like this doesn't really give me much information. It says benefits: oil-free, undetectable. Okay. Skin types: normal, dry, oily combination. All skin types is basically what that means. Coverage: medium, full. Finish: natural. Formulated without phthalates, animal testing, cruelty-free. It's just like the most simple packaging, which I guess is not a bad thing, but I am very intrigued. I hope that I will love this because I really enjoy trying out foundations. Hyde Premium Foundation. Retail value of $30. Okay. Looking forward to trying that. Ooh, next, I do recognize this brand, and if it's going to be a skincare product, at least it's from a brand that I really like, Murad. This is Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. Okay. Oh, you can use it morning and night, even though it is retinol. This is probably really nice, but eye serums, I kind of feel the same way about regular serums. I have a ton of them, and I don't change up my eye serums often, and I literally just started a new eye cream. So I am excited to have this in my collection to try eventually. And Retinol Youth Renewal, like, I mean, I'm really into youth renewal, anti-aging, because I'm going to turn 30 this year, but like, I'm lucky that my eye like wrinkles, or I don't really struggle too much with needing to anti-age my eyes right now, but I guess it never hurts to start early. But this, because of that, is not like a product that, once again, I'm super excited about or super like feel like I need to work into my skincare right away. Maybe I should even gift this to like my mom or someone that maybe would get better use out of this right now. Yeah, helps improve under eyes and lids, lines, wrinkles, and loss of firmness. Rapidly smooth while being gentle enough for the eye area. So let's see, the retail value on the Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Cream, wow, $89. Very pricey. But wow, a lot of skincare in this so far. Oh, okay, next we've got an Item Beauty product. I got another Item Beauty product this month in, was it my BOXYCHARM or base box? Yeah, I got another Item Beauty in my BOXYCHARM base box this month. I got that lip balm, but this is the Lucky Line Gel Pencil. This is a black eyeliner. Are you serious? At this point I can say it, I hate getting black eyeliners. The fact that I would still be getting a black eyeliner from a beauty subscription when I've given every bit of feedback that I feel like possible to not get black eyeliner, this is like, it really upsets me to get a black eyeliner now. Just a simple black eyeliner pencil. It's not even a twist up. It's like the kind that you have to sharpen. This, on like the totem pole of makeup products that I want to receive, this is like bottom, underground. Ugh, I feel like this is such a waste of a product, but you know, I'm gonna try it out anyways. Maybe it'll blow me away and I'll be like, yay, I'm so happy I have this, but I don't know about that. I don't wear black eyeliner like hardly ever anyways. And so the Item Beauty by Addison Rae Lucky Line Long Wear Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil is a $14 value. Like, some of the products that I'm getting in this box are exciting. Other ones are so not. This is a very split box for me so far. Okay, so I got 6 products this month. The last product in here is from Huda Beauty. Alluring Liquid Matte Lipstick. Pretty packaging here. It's a red, like a bright red lip, which is not my comfort zone of color. I mean, today I am wearing a little bit more of a bold lip. I just rarely wear a shade like this, so this is kind of another product that's like kind of fun to get, but not as exciting and useful for my collection. But I do like the brand Huda Beauty. This is the Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Alluring. Retail value of $21. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to say that my first BOXYCHARM Premium box of the year is definitely not one of my favorites. Maybe one of my least favorites I've ever gotten. I'll do a quick recap and I'll let you know the total retail value. So I got the Item Beauty Black Eyeliner Pencil, the Murad Eye Serum, which the retail value of this box is probably going to be kind of high just because of this product here. The Huda Beauty Liquid Eyeliner, the Hide Foundation, probably the product I'm most excited to get, the Volition Strawberry Serum, and the Oma Beauty Mascara. So that brings me to a total retail value of $215.50. And when I hear that it's a box of that much value that I spent like $40 on, it's pretty exciting. But the actual products that I got, I'm not super pumped about, and that I had to wait so long for this box to get here just to be kind of let down by the products makes it hurt even worse. No, but if you've tried any of these products, let me know in the comments down below what you think of them. Maybe some of these products that I got that I'm not super excited about, turns out you really love, and maybe I'll really love, and that might help me feel better about this box. But I'm hoping that the rest of the boxes I get this year, will be less skincare, more exciting types of makeup products, more, suited to my tastes and my preferences. But so we'll try out these makeup products in upcoming videos very soon, and hopefully they'll just blow me away and I'll love them. But let me know what you got in your January 2023 BOXYCHARM Premium box as well. Although if your box is really great, I'm going to be pretty sad and jealous, but that's okay. You can still let me know in the comments down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.